Hey everyone, I wanted to chat a little bit about today's date. So many of you have watched the social media talk about 12/12, as it is a very important day, and there is no doubt that it is. So where does it stem from? It stems from numerology. So what is interesting is that we are focusing on the fact that the numbers are 1, 2, 1, 2, and that they mirror each other. So we call that and we consider that a portal. But I would like for you to slow down just for a minute. There is much more here at work than it seems. So I sat in reflection this morning and I noticed that the month of December, which is a 3, so if you take numerology, 12 is 1 plus 2, which equals 3. But in the month of December, that pattern, that frequency of the 1 2 1 2 actually repeats itself 4 times. So what does that mean? So as I just said, the number 1 and 2 equal 3. So we have 12/12, which is 3 and 3. But the frequency starts on December 3rd, 12/3. 1 2 equals 3 and 3. Then we go to 12/12, which is again 1 2 is 3, 1 2 is 3. So 3 and 3. That is repeated one more time on 12/21. 1 2 3 2 1 3. The pattern repeated itself one more time on 12/30. So the pattern again is 1 2, which is 3, and then 3 0, which is 3. So I felt that there is no accident that in the month of December we repeated the pattern of 3 3 3 3 3 3 4 times. So again, the number 3 in numerology is a very important number. Is about being able to speak, and is about knowing what you want. And then think about it a little bit further. The year 2025 is a 9, which is a vibration of the number 3. So what is going on? What is going on in the month of December, the last month of the year? Completion, but it's also spirituality. It's also connecting to the darkest side of our soul to find the brightest side of our life. So the first 12/3 equals awareness. 12/12 is about alignment. 12/21 is choice, and the last one, 12/3, is closure. There are no coincidence on when those special dates come to. So again, 12/3 is the beginning of the month. 12/12 is almost the middle of the month. 12/21 is winter solstice, Yule, the darkest night of the soul, the longest night, the longest part of the darkness of the season, and then light begins. And then 12/30 is the end of the year, is a beginning of something new. So there is something I would like for you to consider. Taking a deep breath and taking ownership of the vibration of those marvelous numbers. So again, you'll hear me talk about 12/3, 12/12, 12/21, 12/30, and then the number 3. But the date 3/3 equals 6. 6 is about relationships. 6 is about letting go of the past. 6 is about opening the doorway for a better understanding of ourselves. So there is quite a bit of vibration and energy in the month of December. What I also found interesting, it is the only time in the entire 12 months that a frequency repeats itself 4 times. Here's my question to you. What are you going to use this vibration for? What is it that you are going to re-examine, revisit, to then open yourself up to something bigger and better? Are you transforming? Are you evolving? Where are you going next? Do you know? Let me know.